And welcome to Talking to Thursday. Now, I have talked to many strange places. I don't know that I've ever let you into the bathroom. I'm in a hotel and I want to show you, give you some tips about how to take a selfie of your smile, which may seem straightforward in its sense until you realize that you're really polite and overwhelmed. Bear with me. What I want to flag up for you this evening is a campaign that I launched on Saturday in London. So if for some reason you happen to be around the south side of Tower Bridge on Saturday the 21st of June from 12 to 4 p.m., go and see the great folk, the great team at Kendall Trauma UK who are launching this Selfie Your Smile alongside the British Society of Paediatric Dentistry. So some of my favourite people involved there. But the whole purpose is to actually get you to take a selfie of your smile. And the reason for that is that accidents happen. And no matter what age you are, we need a close-up photo of your smile. It will really help your dental team fix and get your smile perfect again. If you either slip, you fall, you trip, you could be doing anything. Accidents happen. I have known kids playing and an elbow hit front and mouth. Oh, it doesn't need to be an awful lot for accidents to happen. The next thing is a broken tooth. Worse still, if you play a contact sport and you're not wearing a good fitting, well fitted mouth guard, you can end up with a lot of really nasty broken teeth. And the important thing is you want your smile to be restored to suit you. And it really helps your dental team if you have a selfie of your smile. And as I say, you may think, what if they all go mad? But it's actually a really useful tool for your dental team. And if you notice, many dentists are now taking scans of your teeth, which gives them a three-dimensional image. Many are taking photographs of your teeth, so again, they have an image. But just handy to have one in your back pocket. If you don't see a dentist regularly or you haven't seen a dentist for some time, really, really important for you to have a selfie of your smile. Now, if you're a parent, take one of your kids' teeth, and you need to take it maybe every 6 months or so. Again, mainly because their smile changes. So a little one's smile can be really different between 6 and 16. So you want it to be restored the best possible way. So everybody's happy. We know our smiles are so important for social interaction, for self-confidence. Your teeth are also really important in your ability to eat and your ability to speak. So, you're going to busy places and take 2 minutes to selfie your smile today. So anyway, let me show you. So what I want you to do is take your mobile. First tip is clean the lens. How often have you taken a photograph and you've got smears of clean the lens of your camera? Don't take an awful lot. Just clean it and get it nice and clean. Then what you want to do is turn your phone off. So let me just unlock this. As I say, this is the area where I'm maximum sure. So basically, you want to have your phone, you don't want to take it in selfie mode, because if you go and put your phone in selfie mode, you can basically see what I'm saying. Get a bit close up. It's difficult, like around. You will get a much better image if you take it off selfie mode. Get in front of the mirror, okay? Because the mirror gives you the ability to see where your camera is lined up. So you can see I'm looking at the mirror above me, which is on the bathroom, and I can actually get quite close. Now, you're better to yourself slightly above in a decent light. Now, that's not mean bright sunshine, you're going to get there. Need to some of these this is the best one to side of the situation. So what we want to do is basically take it there, and you can take it from my experience to keep themselves happy. But basically what we want to do is have your smile. As it's from your timer, 2010, I always do that. What it does is let you see what it calls. So it's important to know what I'm looking at. Because again, you may not just get the track, and it might take a little bit of practice to get you exactly so that you can actually then see the image, you can actually see then your why the situation in here, there'll be more tips at the weekend or links and works or just how you can actually take a step further. So it's really useful if they can see the outline of your top and your bottom teeth, because what you show in your smile is going to be the most important thing for this next for camera, right? So instead of just by the time together where your lower teeth are hidden, you want to make sure you are do normal smile, then side box you can actually see, and it will really, really help with your conversation. If God forbid it doesn't happen, and help you help restore your smile. So I'm just letting you say that because I'm like just Thursday and I've got a bit of echo here. I need to get going because I'm supposed to be at 7. Between 9 and 7 o'clock, I will be here. My phone will be here. Actually, here. If you've got a question about your health, please just write me below or drop me an email info@grownsmiles.co.uk. Go to the website. I will turn on the live chat. So if you need, you can use that function. I will keep an eye on to what it's in. No sunshine. I hope you've got it. Is desperately warm. I have some lecture theatre all day today. I'm all day long. In Cardiff, British Association for Study Community Industries spring conference, which is excellent. These are the people doing the research that come up with the evidence to support our oral health messages. I always say I do not have an original thought. These are the people that actually do the hard graft and actually come up with the information that supports the advice we give you, members of the public, that helps you help yourself how to have this life. Like I said, so there you go. Until next Thursday, same time, same place. Follow us and do all these social media. See you next week. Back to this. Yes, back to this next week. I'll be on. I'll let you know. And we run the selfie your smile campaign that says watching homes for California, UK, and the British Society of Pediatric Dentistry, and something it can make all the difference. And it's just such an easy thing to do. So and do not forget elderly parents, aunts, uncles, thankful too. It's not just their head that can break or a wrist that can break their teeth. And remember, we are living longer, we keep our teeth longer. And it's so important, particularly as we get older, that we have a functional dentition. So we can eat with our teeth, we can smile with our teeth, and we can it's really important to see your smile. So I'll leave that over to you. That's really job for night or the weekend.